Maybe this is an e-girl makeup look, I guess. I wasn't even planning on doing that. What happened? Hey everyone, so I got this wig from Julia Hair and I accidentally made this entire makeup slash hair look into an e-girl look, so that wasn't meant to happen, but we're going to be doing that for today, so stay tuned for the review and also the makeup at the end. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing another hair video. This wig is by Julia Hair, and I've had so many people ask me where did I get this unit from. I mean, I really wanted to try something different, and this definitely is not what I normally wear, where it has like 2 blonde strands in the front. I think it's been a more popular wig style more recently, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out for this video today. For the makeup portion of me getting ready, I wanted to use products that I don't normally use because I use the same products in almost every single video, and I've gotten a lot of new PR lately. And we're also going to get into the specs of this wig in a second, as well as style it. I might add some like bumps to the ends, of course, but I think this wig looks really good when it's just completely straight, so we're gonna do that. I think I'm gonna go for a more bold look for my eyes and probably more of just like a muted lip. Okay, so one product that I don't normally use is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I probably used this a couple times in my videos more recently, but this is something that I really have been loving. I have a new foundation that I just got from Ulta. I'm gonna put this down below as well, but this is the Face Tape Tarte Foundation. I'm gonna be using the Shape Tape Glow Wand for my next step. Gonna go in with my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in Medium Tan just to brighten up the concealer a little bit more. Now I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Peach Baking Powder. Just use my makeup Keep Mist from Kose. This is like a Japanese brand that I got from Japan recently. It has like a really good staying power for sweat. So you just shake it. So I usually do about 2 layers. Like after I'm done doing my base, I usually spray and then I do everything else. And it feels really good on the skin, actually. So use Sugar Pill capsule collection, and it's got like blush in here. It's got a bunch of different cute little colors and stuff. I'm making a whole mess right now, but I had to go fix my eyeshadow because I didn't like what it was looking like before, but I put in some green in here, different colors, and I think I like it more now. And I usually don't do dramatic looks like this, but we're doing that today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with my highlighter next. I'm gonna use something that I don't ever use at all. This is my Benefit Cookie Golden Pearl Super Silky Highlighter in Cookie. So I guess I'll put that below as well for you guys if you want to go ahead and see it. Oh, I've never used this before and I really like it. I mean, I am going for more dramatic anyway, so. Then I'm gonna go in with the new Sugar Pill Liquid Lip in Locket. I should do like 2 strands in the front and then one like half up ponytail or something with this look. I think that'd be pretty cute. So I'm gonna do an Instagram photo tonight with this. I almost look like an e-girl at this point. Found it. Okay, yeah, because I wanted to do like a half up, half down hairdo. Literally. Okay, I'm gonna like straighten my hair just a little bit, not too much. Maybe this is an e-girl makeup look, I guess. I wasn't even planning on doing that. What happened? I mean, yeah. You know what's funny? I think I was subconsciously doing it because I was being told by people that I should. In with my Milk Makeup heart stamp. I'm already failing. They look decent. I'm gonna just fix a couple things. I'm gonna be straightening this hair a bit, kind of just flattening it out because it's just kind of like a little bit bumpy. Even though I do feel like this look can be messy if it wanted to be. Oh my god, is this? I guess this is my version of an e-girl look. And if I just wear like my docs or something with this shirt, pretty sure that works. I got this wig from Julia Hair. This is the box. They sent me a few wig caps and I got to sew in an elastic band that they sent as well. It's already sewn into the unit. Let me look at the specs for you guys really quick. Okay, yeah, so this is the Julia Highlight Straight Human Hair Ombre 13x4 Lace Front Colored Honey Blonde Brazilian Straight Hair. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna kind of go closer up for y'all, and it looks pretty good, pretty flawless. It also stays very flat on my head, which I like, and also the texture of the hair is really nice. It has a lot of volume to it, like a lot of body, but it's still straight, but it's not completely silky straight, and it's also not yucky, so it's like good in between. So I do like that a lot. Yeah, so I got the 180% density and a 20-inch unit. So this is how long that the unit goes. It's a lot of body to it. It's also very thick as well, so looks really natural. And yeah, I also did not bleach the knots, which I'm gonna end up doing eventually, I feel like, because I do want to wear this wig more often. I just haven't like tried to bleach the knots yet, which I think it would give it a more natural look if I did. This is cheap. Okay, so it's gonna be $161.03 for this unit if you get 180% density and a 20-inch. To me, that's really good, you guys. Very soft, very nice. Like this hair, it just feels so good. And honestly, I love how flat it is. It also comes in the middle part. Obviously, because of the bangs, it looks better in the middle part, in my opinion. This is definitely a look. To me, it's very like early 2000s, I guess. So I'm gonna kind of just zoom in for you guys to go ahead and see what's going on. Ooh, here. There we go. I feel like that's all I have to say. Again, shedding is very minimal. I can run my fingers through it and nothing comes out. For this wig in particular, the shedding is really, really good. It's at a minimal. And yeah, I pretty much just threw it on. So if you guys are looking into getting this unit, I would definitely do it. It's a really good price. Be sure to go ahead and click the link below to this wig. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures right now for Instagram and just take, I guess, my intro shots for this video as well. So bye guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like these where I try out different looks on myself, please let me know. I rarely do like dramatic eye makeup like this. Anyways, bye guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.